How to change passcode for restricted mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. That will give you the option of settings and privacy. So tap on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, what you can see is the option of content and display category. So simply scroll down and tap on content preferences. So tap on content preferences. Here you can see the option of restricted mode. So right now it's toggled off. So if you want to toggle or you want to change the passcode, you have to first of all turn on, for which you have to just create a passcode. Now, if you want to change the passcode, you have to just go to your profile back on, tap on the hamburger icon, settings and privacy, tap on content preferences, and then tap on restricted mode. So here, you just have to add the passcode. So let's add the passcode over here, and you'll be done. Now, if you want to change it, what you can simply do is go back, tap on restricted mode again, and here you can just tap on manage passcode. So you can just tap on change passcode. So tap on it, and here you just tap on forgot passcode. So what you simply need to do is either enter your phone number or your email address and verify yourself, and then you'll be able to change your passcode for restricted mode on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.